Hello. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about how to petition a family member from San Diego, California. If you're a U.S. citizen or permanent resident and want to help a loved one get a green card, this video will guide you through the process. We'll talk about the requirements, wait times, common mistakes, and how immigration law applies right here in Southern California. What is a family petition? A family-based petition is a legal immigration process through which a U.S. citizen or permanent resident sponsors a relative to help them become a lawful permanent resident. This process begins with Form 1130, which is filed with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. From San Diego, you can file this petition online or by mail. You don't need to visit a USCIS office for this step, although there is a local office in San Diego that may assist you later in the process. Who can petition whom? U.S. citizens can petition for their spouses, children, whether married or unmarried, parents and siblings. In some cases, a U.S. citizen might even petition for a stepchild or adopted child, as long as certain conditions are met. And if you're a citizen married to a foreign spouse, you can also include children under 21 in the same process. Permanent residents can only petition for their spouses and unmarried children. This is regulated by federal immigration law, but USCIS processing times can vary based on the workload in your local area. Wait times. The wait time for a petition depends on several factors: the type of family relationship, whether the family member is inside or outside the U.S., and their country of origin. For example, a citizen petitioning for a spouse may face a short wait, while a citizen petitioning for a sibling may wait 10 to 15 years. Each month, the Department of State publishes the Visa Bulletin, which shows which cases are currently being processed based on category and country. In San Diego, where many petitioners are from Mexico, the Philippines, and Central America, wait times can be longer in some categories due to demand. What happens after the I-130? Once the I-130 petition is approved, the family member can take one of two paths. If they're inside the U.S. and entered legally, they may be eligible to apply for adjustment of status directly through USCIS. If they're outside the country, they'll go through consular processing, which includes an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Each option has pros and cons depending on the case, like processing times, waivers, or the risk of being separated for longer. In both cases, it's important to gather the correct documentation, such as proof of the family relationship and financial sponsorship. In San Diego, adjustment of status is handled by the local USCIS field office, while consular processing is coordinated with the National Visa Center and the appropriate consulate. Beware of immigration bars. It's important to understand that not all family members are eligible for a green card right away. If your relative entered without a visa, overstayed their visa, or has prior immigration violations, they may face bars that prevent them from adjusting status or receiving a visa. In such cases, a waiver, also known as a pardon, may be needed. This requires proving that denying the green card would cause extreme hardship to the petitioner. That's why in San Diego, many families consult with an immigration attorney before filing any documents. The benefits of applying from San Diego. San Diego has one of the busiest USCIS offices in the country. Living here gives you quick access to biometrics appointments, interviews, and USCIS support services. You're also close to the U.S.-Mexico border, which can be helpful for consular processing cases. California also has local policies that support immigrants and nonprofit organizations that offer low-cost or even free legal assistance. Common mistakes and recommendations. Common mistakes include submitting incomplete forms, failing to provide strong evidence of the relationship, or assuming your relative can adjust status when they can't. Another frequent error is not reviewing your family member's full immigration history, which can lead to a denial later. Always get a full legal screening before starting the process. Do you live in San Diego and want to petition a family member? Whether you're a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, understanding the process is the first step toward bringing your loved ones closer. Our team is here to guide you through every stage. Don't navigate the immigration system alone. We can help you review your case, understand your options, and guide you every step of the way. We'll help you avoid costly delays, understand if a waiver is needed, and make sure your case is as strong as possible. Remember, a successful petition begins with good planning. Let's talk about your options and take the first step. Don't wait. Contact us.